Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be showcasing the Tineco Pier 1 station. This video is sponsored by Tineco and I will be highlighting its key features and benefits. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it and to stay up to date on any of the latest discounts, be sure to use the link in the video description. In a world where using a vacuum cleaner often results in tangled rollers, flying dust, and fading suction due to finicky filters, the Tineco Pier 1 station emerges at the top of cutting-edge innovation. Let's delve into why this vacuum is poised to transform your cleaning routine and redefine your expectations of what a cordless vacuum cleaner should be. First, we have to talk about the 4-in-1 revolutionary cleaning experience. The Tineco Pier 1 station isn't just another vacuum, it's truly a game changer. Say farewell to the days of manual cleaning. Simply dock the vacuum after use and watch in awe as it automatically charges, empties the dustbin, and cleans itself. Yes, you heard that right. No more tangled rollers or washing dirty filters. Next, we have our ZeroTangle brush design. The innovative ZeroTangle brush head design ensures that hair doesn't become a nuisance around the brush. It self-cleans powerfully after every use, further preventing those frustrating hair tangles. Moving right along, we have HEPA filter maintenance. Regularly cleaning the HEPA filter after each use prevents clogging and gradual loss of suction power over time. This ensures a consistent, strong, and reliable suction, allowing you to enjoy peak performance every time you clean. Enjoy up to 60 days of use without emptying. One of the standout features of the Tineco Pier 1 station is its remarkable capacity to collect debris for up to 60 days without requiring you to empty it constantly. No more interruptions during your cleaning sessions. This goes right into its easy and sustainable maintenance with a generous dustbin that only needs emptying once every 2 months and no more disposable dust bags. You'll not only save time, you'll also save money and contribute to a cleaner environment. With the Pier 1 station, Tineco unveiled a vacuum cleaner with all the features you desire. Experience high efficiency cleaning like never before with the ZeroTangle brush head that effortlessly tackles hair without tangles. The Tineco iLoop smart sensing technology provides 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning with long-lasting suction power. The fur-free attachment is a game changer for pet owners, effectively brushing and capturing loose hair simultaneously, putting an end to your battle with flying pet hair. This vacuum's lightweight and versatile. Weighing in at just 5.29 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight. It also transforms into a handheld cleaner with dusting and upholstery attachments. Whether you're dusting shelves or refreshing your car seats, this vacuum handles it all with ease, eliminating the need for multiple cleaning tools. The Tineco Pier 1 station is not just a vacuum cleaner, it's a revolution in cleaning technology. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to effortless, efficient cleaning. Make the switch and elevate your cleaning experience today.